What is going on, Bitcoin Nation? We are here to talk price action today and a little bit of news about what's going on with some clarification on some event calendar. And let's kick it off and let's get into it really quickly. Now, price action is ranging between the 50 and the 200, bearish, by the way, because we're bouncing off of the 50. The 50 looks like it's moving back over into a crossover pattern as the 200 SMA comes down, which we're going to want to see for a move to the upside. But it can't be understated here that this is not great to have this kind of pattern sort of playing out. So what it looks like is we're about to see a little tightening along the way. If I'm looking at the chart, I'm looking at it coming this way. I'm looking at it coming this way. Now that gives me kind of an indicator here of perhaps a little bit of trading chop going in here with an ascending wedge pattern playing out. No guarantees that that actually plays out, but I am getting that kind of feeling right now. So if that's the case, most likely scenario is we play out down here to 54, do a reversal, probably reject off 6 here. Would be better served to see us reject off of 65, gives people a little bit of confidence, and it keeps the from crying in Telegram about when price go up. You know what I'm talking about. You've been in there. You know what I'm talking about. Now, what we don't want to see, this move back down here into this 4,400 range. Now, we had a good little pump off of this. We had a good little reversal. A lot of this is coming because of the investors that we see coming in from Dubai. We see a lot of positivity and we see a lot of enthusiasm about the V2 move. Now, not everybody's going to be for that. Some people, they're going to, they're looking for reasons to FUD, looking for reasons to be mad. But generally speaking, it looks like, again, this does really feel like a crossover is getting ready to happen any day now. And we could see something good happen when that does. Now, what would I expect to see at that point? I would expect to see the start of a little bit of FOMO, because here's what we have on on August 13, 7 p.m. BitBoy will be hosting this new private mega yacht party here. And this is going to be for the launch of Dubai. And it's a 3 ETH required contribution in order to get on this, with a capacity of 250 guests. It's going to be a big deal. It's going to be the launch of Dubai with I Am Crypto Wolfie, and should be a pretty exciting event. I think that, from what we see here, he does everything big. It is sponsored by the car show and crypto companies, BitGet Exchange. So there's a lot of different people that are kind of getting involved here for something that we would think is kind of small, just the launch of the Dubai token. But the Dubai token apparently is something that they intend to make in that community a very big deal. So being part of that, being attached to it, now, is that the greatest of things? Of course not. But being attached to it is a good thing overall for the Ben price action. I think that we should see some pretty good stuff coming out of that. Now, when we come over here, when the V2 launches, we'll get a little clarity on this market cap thing over here. We can see the market cap, of course, on Dex Tools, but it has to be self-reported here for coin market cap, and that's high liquidity or low liquidity, high market cap. Like, we're going to fix a lot of that when this new launch comes out. But 1.98 million in trade volume in the 24-hour period, very good sign. So overall, certainly bullish, certainly looking for an upside move. But I do think that we're probably stuck in a pattern where we're going to be retesting this move right here, and then hopefully, again, this is important, I think, by the way, long term, is we need to come up here and test this SMA, the 200, one more time. I think that's a big deal. So if that happens, and if you see this kind of play out over the next little while, or you see an immediate reversal and a test up here, that's going to be a pretty bullish sign. Now, if you don't see that move right away and you see it come down here first before coming back up and testing, then that's also going to be a pretty bullish sign. It'll look something like that. That's a great reversal. That'll show some strength in the investors. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified of future content. Make sure you leave a comment down below. Get more people involved in Ben Nation. The more people are involved, the higher the floor, the bigger the pump every single time we do something. We'll talk to you again very, very soon.